Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Clips. In this video, we bring you 10 easy English conversations. We will talk about everyday topics like shopping for clothes, choosing the right size, and returning or exchanging items. We will also talk about sales and discounts, money problems, and saving money. You will practice English for paying bills, bank accounts, using an ATM, and online payments. These conversations will help you practice English step by step. Listen carefully, speak slowly, and enjoy learning with us. Let's get started.
Talking about shopping for clothes. Hi, Emily. Welcome to the clothes store.
Hi, Michael. Thank you. The store looks nice.
Yes, it is very popular.
I want to buy a shirt today.
Great. What color do you like?
I like blue and white.
This blue shirt is new.
Oh, it looks good.
Please touch it. The fabric is soft.
Yes, it feels nice.
Is it for work or daily use?
It is for daily use.
Then this style is perfect.
I think so too.
Do you want to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is there.
Thank you.
Take your time.
Okay. I like this shirt.
It looks great on you.
Thank you.
Do you want another color?
Maybe white.
Here you go.
This is nice too.
We have many options.
Shopping is fun here.
I'm happy to hear that.
How much is the shirt?
It is $20.
That's reasonable.
Yes, good quality too.
I will buy one.
Great choice.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Let's go to the counter.
Sure.
I enjoy shopping today.
Me too. Choosing the right size. Emily, did you find your size?
I am not sure.
What size do you wear?
Usually medium.
Let's check medium first.
Okay,
Try this one.
I will try it.
Take your time.
It feels tight.
Then try large.
Good idea.
Here is large size.
Thank you. Oh, this feels better.
Does it fit well?
Yes, very comfortable.
Move your arms.
Like this?
Yes.
It's perfect.
Great.
Medium was too small.
That happens sometimes.
True.
Comfort is important.
Yes, I agree.
Do you like the length?
Yes, it's good.
Check the mirror.
I like how it looks.
Then large is your size.
Yes.
Shall we buy it?
Yes, please.
Good choice.
Thank you for your help.
Always happy to help.
Shopping is easier with you.
Haha, thank you.
Returning or exchanging items. Hi, Michael. I need help.
Sure. What's the problem?
I want to exchange this shirt.
No problem. What happened?
The color is not good for me.
I understand.
Can I change it?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Great.
I want a darker color.
How about navy blue?
That sounds good.
Here it is.
Oh, I like this one.
Try it on.
Okay. It looks better.
It suits you well.
I agree.
The price is the same.
That's good.
No extra charge.
easy process.
We want happy customers.
I feel happy.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
I'll pack it for you.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Great service.
Thank you for shopping.
I will come again.
We'll be here.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Talking about sales and discounts.
Emily, today we have a sale.
Really? That's great.
Yes, up to 30% off.
Wow.
This rack is on sale.
I like sales.
Everyone does.
How much is this jacket?
It was $50.
And now?
Now it's $35.
That's a good discount.
Yes, very good.
Is the quality the same?
Yes, nothing changes.
Then I want it.
Good choice.
Do I get more discount?
Only for members.
Oh, I see.
You can join today.
Is it free?
Yes, totally free.
Then sign me up.
Done.
Easy.
Now you get extra 5%.
Even better.
You save money today.
I feel smart.
Shopping smart is good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love discounts.
Me too.
Talking about money problems. Michael, can I talk to you?
Sure, what's wrong?
I have money problems.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Everything is expensive now.
Yes, it's hard.
My salary is not enough.
I understand.
I worry every month.
That's stressful.
Yes, very stressful.
You are not alone.
Really?
Many people feel this way.
That makes me feel better.
Try to plan your money.
I try, but it's hard.
Start small.
Like what?
Write your expenses.
Good idea.
Cut small costs.
Like coffee outside?
Yes.
I love coffee.
Make it at home.
I will try.
You can do it.
Thank you for listening.
Anytime.
I feel lighter now.
Talking helps.
Yes, it does.
Stay positive.
I will.
You are strong.
Thank you, Michael. Talking about saving money. Michael, do you save money?
A little, not much.
Saving is important.
I know, but it's hard.
Start with small amounts.
Like, how much?
Maybe $5 a week?
That sounds possible.
Yes, very easy.
Where should I save it?
In a bank or a jar?
A jar?
Why not?
That's funny.
It works.
I will try.
Set a goal.
Like travel money?
Exactly.
That motivates me.
Motivation helps a lot. Do you save money?
Yes, every month.
You are disciplined.
I try my best.
I want to be like you.
You can be.
Step by step.
That's right.
I feel hopeful now.
Good.
Thank you for advice.
Always welcome.
Let's save together.
Deal.
Paying bills. Michael, I need to pay my bills.
Which bills?
Electricity and water.
Did you check the amount?
Yes, here it is.
That's not too high.
Still hurts.
Bills always hurt.
Can I pay online?
Yes, it's easy.
I prefer online.
Log into your account.
Okay,
Choose Pay Bills.
I see it.
Enter the amount.
Done.
Confirm the payment.
Confirmed.
That's it.
Wow, so fast.
Saves time.
No long lines.
Exactly.
I feel relaxed now.
Good feeling.
I paid everything.
Great job.
Adult life.
Welcome to it.
Thank you for help.
Anytime.
Bills are less scary now.
Knowledge helps.
Yes, it does. Talking about bank accounts.
Emily, do you have a bank account?
Yes, I do.
Is it savings or checking?
Savings account.
Good choice.
I use it for saving.
Do you check your balance?
Sometimes.
You should check often.
You're right.
Banks are safe.
Yes, I trust my bank.
Do you use mobile banking?
Yes, it's easy.
Technology helps.
Very much.
Any problems with your account?
Not really.
That's good.
Bank staff are friendly.
That's important.
I like friendly service.
Me too. Do you have a card?
Yes, debit card.
Use it carefully.
Always. Keep your PIN safe. Of course.
Smart banking habits.
I'm learning.
You're doing well.
Thank you. Using an ATM. Michael, I need cash.
Let's use the ATM.
Okay.
Insert your card.
Like this?
Yes.
Enter my PIN.
Cover the keypad.
Good tip.
Choose Withdraw.
Selected.
Enter the amount.
I need $50.
Confirm it.
Confirmed.
Wait a second.
Okay.
Take your cash.
Got it.
Don't forget your card.
Almost forgot.
It happens.
Thank you.
Count your money.
It's correct.
Good.
ATM is easy.
Yes, very useful.
I feel confident now.
That's great.
Thanks for guiding me.
Anytime.
Talking about online payments. Michael, do you pay online?
Yes, very often.
What do you pay?
Shopping and bills.
Online payments are fast.
Yes, and convenient.
Do you use an app?
Yes, my bank app.
Is it safe?
Yes, very safe.
That's important. I don't carry cash now.
Same here. Do you check details before paying?
Always.
Smart habit.
I learned the hard way.
Oh no.
Small mistake before.
But now you're careful.
Yes.
That's learning.
Online payments save time.
And energy.
I like modern life.
Me too.
Technology helps us.
Yes, when used right.
Thank you for today.
Thank you too.
I learned a lot.
That makes me happy.
See you next time.
See ya.